If there is anybody who has not understood the message you have given them over the years, well, we are waiting to see what you do. In the recent months and so on, you see, again, the whole world was watching. Mercenaries came from Europe, then other confused brothers and sisters from our continent. They sent in arms, they sent in weapons, soldiers, they sent in everything to support a government that is killing its own people, that supports genociders, people who killed our people here. 1 million people we lost in 100 days were murdered by the same bastards. Of course, sometimes supported by these same people who give lessons. So they came and gathered along our border. If you people knew the stories of what was found in Goma, in Bukavu, and so on, you would understand it. You would understand that the issue was not about fighting so-called FCM-23, it was aimed at Rwanda. Boy, you ask them what happened. What happened was only a fraction of actually what we could do. The same people you've been seeing after making sure that they cannot not to do any harm to us, and they gave up, we gave them passage through here to go back home. We gave them passage. We gave them security. We made sure they went back home. But they could have perished if they really put up a fight. There's no question about it. I'm saying it now, and for tomorrow, if anybody attempts, you will see it. I'm not bragging. I'm not doing anything. I'm just saying the truth to whoever wants to listen. If you have other ideas, then we shall sort it out. This is why I said it happened to us once, and once is too many. It will not happen again. You used to hear people saying, oh, they have power, they have capacity, they have everything they need to even threaten this capital where all of us are now, from a distance. We told them, we may not have that capacity ourselves. We will find you there. We have the capacity, you don't know. We can walk 2,000 kilometers from here, fighting if and when we have to fight. The rest are just stories. These people who tell you nonsense, that they have drones, they have what, they will come and attack Rwanda, we will find you where you are launching those drones from. So, but we have said this many times before, and it was simply saying, please, there is no need to attack us, there is no need to threaten us. We don't threaten you. We don't wish you anything bad. Just, if you can't cooperate with us, leave us alone, please.